What's up, everybody? Dan here with westcoastcards.com, and today we're going to be opening some more of the Topps 2018 Series 1 baseball packs. I got 10 cards in each pack and 5 packs in front of you. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's get started cracking some packs today. I need to organize my cards a little bit over here to the side so nothing falls over. All right. Start off the video with Avisail Garcia, Ivan Nova, Javi Baez, Yon Moncada, Future Stars, Chris Davis, Masahiro Tanaka, Carlos Gonzalez, Braves team card, flip over to Matt Moore, flip over to John Gray. All right. Start off with Mike Moustakas, Aaron Sanchez, flip over, Brandon Woodruff, rookie, Clint Frazier, rookie. Here we go. Here's a rainbow holo, Miguel Sano. So that's nice. Very nice card. Travis d'Arnaud. Indians team card, Craig Kimbrell, Chase Headley, Andrew Miller. Whoa. Start off with Raziel Iglesias, Hunter Renfroe, Mike Clevenger, flip over, Garrett Cooper rookie, Cam Gallagher rookie. Whoa, Barry Larkin. Interesting. I didn't know they did old players like that. Jordy Mercer, Johannes Sepsidis, got Brandon Phillips, Steven Matz, and this thing. All right, Jake Marisnick, Shin-Soo Choo, Miguel Andujar rookie, Brian Anderson rookie, Mother's Day, Jose Barrios, very cool, Corey Knebel, Alex Bregman World Series highlight. Who's on first? Riz Harper. We got Ricky Nolasco and JT Realmuto. All right, last pack, here we go. Start off Adam Wainwright, Jose Iglesias, Evan Longoria, flip over, Jose Altuve, league leaders, flip over, Daniel Murphy, Cody Bellinger, Rookie of the Year award. Oops. Brandon Finnegan. Aledmus Diaz. I don't know how you say that name. Jake Lamb. Zach Davies. Alright, so best card of this video. While I get my sleeves out. Hold on. While I get my sleeves out, please give a thumbs up and comment and subscribe. Let me know how you like these videos. Subscribe for more because I got a lot more cards to open. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'll see you next video. Bye.